iOS 14 came with a lot of features that may sound quite similar to some Android users because we have that experience already. And one particular feature I was interested in was the ability to tap the back or the rear side of your device for it to create an accessibility feature you personally customize to your phone. And it's quite a very interesting feature I really admire because, I mean, it saves you the hassle of doing certain things that would take a longer period. And by the tap at the back of your phone, you can achieve that within milliseconds. I'm Delpy, and today we'll be talking about the accessibility feature on iOS 14 that allows you to just create a shortcut by the tap at the back of your phone. If you are somebody who wants to try this out and haven't heard it yet, it has been out there on the internet for maybe some months now, like 5 months, ever since iOS 14 came out. But if you haven't tried it out and you still want to know how to, this is a tutorial that will show you how to set it. So we have a triple tap feature and a double tap feature, and they all do separate things. I, for one, have a triple tap feature that allows me to take screenshots automatically. You can also assign a double tap feature that would also allow you to do anything you want to customize it to. Maybe call someone, open an app, or take a screenshot. Like I said, it depends on you. And today I'm going to be rolling a screen recording that will be showing you the entire process on how to achieve this. So what you have to first off do is to open your settings, then you search for accessibility, tap on it, scroll down to touch, tap on touch, then you scroll down to back tap, and then you have the options to either double tap or triple tap to set your feature. So you can choose double tap, and there are lots of commands you can assign it to, or you can just head back to choose the triple tap feature and you can assign it to do whatever you want it to. It's a cool feature and I really advise that you implement it on your iPhone. Just do. I'm Delpy once again, and do leave your comments in the comment section. Tell me what you think about the tutorial. If in case you find any difficulty in getting this tutorial set and done on your phone, I will be hanging out in the comment section to help you out. Stay safe. Peace out.